Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find the second highest salary from a table. So in this example, I am just selecting everything from my employee table, and here I have the employee ID, name and salary, and I'm just going to do order by salary descending just to sort them based on the salary. So you can see Jane, employee ID number 2, has the highest salary, and then Olivia has the second highest salary with $100,000. So to find the highest salary, what I can do is I can just say select max salary from employee, and this is actually gonna give me the max salary, which is 110,000. So let me execute this 110,000, and then if I want to see the entire row with this max salary, I can just say select all from employee where salary in, and I can use this whole thing which gave me the max salary as a subquery. So now this is gonna give me the entire row with the highest salary. So Jane here has the highest salary, so I'm seeing everything. Now to find the second highest salary, what I can do is I can simply say where salary is not in. I can say not in, or I can just use the not equal to sign. Both are the same. So what this is gonna do is it's gonna give me all employees that do not have the max salary. So if I execute this, it's gonna give me all employees minus the highest salary. But now what I want to do is I'm going to select the top one row from here and order it by salary descending, and that'll give me the second highest salary. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just say top one all. So this is just going to give me one row, and this is not necessarily going to give me the second highest salary, so I have to order it by salary descending. And now what it's going to do is I'm selecting one row from an employee where salary is not the max salary, and I'm sorting it by salary descending. So it's going to give me the second highest salary. So let me execute it now. So I'm getting Olivia, who has the second highest salary. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and thank you for watching.